On March 23, 2024, two women stuffed roughly $1,000 in Carter's merchandise into their clothing and bags at a store in Sanford, Florida, then fled before officers arrived.
Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm Officer Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why are you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw I match what?
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah. I matched the description.
Did you go on Carter's at all?
Did we do what?
Did you go to Carter's?
I had bought something from here.
So you brought something from there? What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll confirm if it's you or not. All right. All right. So she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of there.
I got my receipts and everything.
So just ask them.
Copy. I'll be on that.
So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna figure it out.
I called you guys as she was running the corner and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took
You could provide an itemized receipt?
We're out with one of the females. She does have a Carter's bag. But we'll be at the Nike store.
Everything. What did she say about Carter? What was supposed to be said about Carter's?
Alright, they're at the Nike store, at least one of them. Are you able to walk over there and ID them?
Ma'am, can you just step out the car for me, please? Okay. Let me see your bag.
You're not under arrest. All right. You just detained right now. All right.
Well, I ain't doing that, so I know I ain't under
Put
arrest.
your phone over there.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, you're just going to be detained, okay? So I have to place you in cuffs.
I'm being detained though.
You're not under arrest. Like we said, you match description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay. You have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here, when they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right?
Oh, that's still not all my stuff right there.
That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
We'll head back there and look at cameras. You guys got cameras, right?
Yes, we do.
I'm just going to read you something too, okay? Because you are entitled to your rights. You're not under arrest. You're just detained, but I have to read you your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have him heard with you now anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, I have an attorney present. All questions will be stopped for request. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
With these rights of mine, you want to talk to me or any one of my partners that come on scene and ask you questions.
Okay.
Yes?
I want to talk to the lady in Carter's because I'm trying to figure out what I supposed to do.
Well, we're trying to figure out too. Apparently, we just got a call about two females matching the description you're wearing. My partner saw you go inside the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Someone just stealing from Carter's. You have a Carter's
stuff
bag
right there.
Okay, but you have a Carter's bag, okay, and we have to make sure that everything's accounted for in that bag. Okay, but that's what we're here for, and it's just kind of a little suspicious that you're not even in the driver's seat. You're in the passenger seat. So where's your friend?
Where's who?
Where's the driver?
My sister? Yeah, I'm waiting on her. She one of these stars. I don't know which one she is.
She going to hit you now?
I don't know. I have to call her.
Okay.
Nope, it's on the east side.
Wish we could grab two of them. One is better than none, right?
You want me to put your phone in your pocket so I don't get over there?
Yes. There's no entry.
How long is it going to take her to get over here? Who you waiting on?
The entertainer is Rose Walker.
I'm waiting on my partner to see.
Basically, go bring somebody over here, right? Say whether it is you or whether it's not you. Like I told you, if it's not you, then we let you go. If it is you, then we'll have a conversation, see what they want to do, right?
Okay.
Let's see what my partner's at. This radio is trash. Restrooms? I don't know if it's over there or over here somewhere. I have no idea.
There's one all the way down next to Auntie Anne's.
That's the only one I know.
got a flashlight? Flashlight.
46, they're both negative valid.
Okay, she was in there. I would like to know what she see me took.
Okay. I'm gonna walk up behind the truck here real quick. Positive ID.
Okay.
Central copies 1932.
So, what's gonna happen? I'll go over there and go. Police can come over and see.
What'd you say?
I want to
Her
know what
sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
she was out here with my baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha.
Is this your car?
No,
Where's the car you came in?
this is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
She was sitting inside.
Okay. Where's your
Yeah,
sister
all my
now?
stuff right there. That I got. All my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying?
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take this out?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay. Let's call her. I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's uncomfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably takes me until I'm out.
Okay.
Did you leave with Bertha or are you still here?
She gone.
Okay. Perfect. We'll do a warrant for her and then you're gonna be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking her out for what? I didn't steal anything.
Shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Did we recover the items?
Those are the items that apparently she paid for.
Man, this is crazy.
You already ran
So
out.
he trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. That you did.
Where is it out on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They already looked.
That's why they called us. They gave the description, they provided description, your sister and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for
Yes.
these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag. And that's about it.
Okay.
I thought y'all said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
Yeah, she identified you. You put the flashlight in her face, she identified you.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for. When I went in there, I was exchanging. She held my stuff at the counter literally for me.
Yeah.
Held my stuff at the counter. So what
Okay.
did y'all thinking? You held my stuff at the counter. It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the car you guys came in?
No.
She's chilling in. She's just chilling in.
She got in when I got
It's her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Can we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay.
Last visit you got cut off.
Disregarded 48.
Copy.
If you're here to take me, go ahead and take me. I ain't got time for all this. Go ahead and do what y'all finna do. She saying this and that. I know I'm gonna beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of there. So
We'll have security come over and tow it, and we'll just have to do the inventory prior to towing.
oh, what you gotta do?
Oh, you wanted to search
She's saying she told me something. She lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Could you hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here so
Like
we
you
can
got somebody
search.
sitting on my phone. I don't know who that is.
Okay, come on.
Let's go over here. I got stuff in my back seat, so I can put it back there.
Let's go right here to this Tahoe.
I've been very naive and innocent all that, and I feel like y'all been like, let me at least let somebody know what's going on. Like,
We do.
no, I'm saying let me call somebody, let them know what's going
We have to
on.
search you, okay, before you go in.
Okay.
Okay. When we get to our police department, the officers over there, I'm pretty sure they'll let you call somebody or give you a number where you can call.
Can I call her?
She needs to do her job, man. We have to do our job.
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled, card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Canceled, canceled, canceled. Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And on video is going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
This is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined.
Hey, you want to go through the video? You want to watch it on the
I'll go in there real quick. If he can just, does he have her in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Get her out there.
All those transactions are declined transactions.
Where is that my phone right here?
Huh?
Is that my phone right here?
Okay. We'll call watch your feet.
There's another big bag up here.
Okay.
Cool. So we need itemized receipts for that. There, is this all yours, Oshkosh?
I don't know.
Sure.
Yeah.
The other suspect driver license. You want me to run it?
Yeah.
Yes. This is
This is all Carter's.
Want to grab one, Amber? Grab the other one.
This one's heavy as hell.
That's our stuff too?
Yeah, this is all Carter's.
Central to 3 Charlie 630.
I dropped one.
Go ahead.
It's gonna have a felony hold on it.
Huh?
It's gonna have a felony hold on it
Why would it have a felony hold on it?
because I'm putting a felony hold on it.
Why are you putting a felony hold on it?
Because they're using this to commit a massive amount of retail theft and fraud.
Because Vina just called me from the jail. They let her use her phone, so I came here.
Gotcha. Well, regardless, the other girl was nice enough to leave her wallet and ID and everything.
You said that your car is keeping a hold.
Were you at the window? Oh, how can we help you today?
I'll need to read the property.
What kind of property?
My wallet and my phone.
We're just gonna step through these doors here. If you wouldn't mind just putting your phone on the counter here. And just go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Have you ever been arrested before?
Vina. Oh, yeah, so they doing it here. The jail picked up my stuff.
Go have a seat. I got to show you. I can give you some food if you.
Yep. And I'll go ahead and ask property about your property for you, okay?
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
You gonna tell me what they say?
Yeah, I'll come back and tell you. Okay?
She was handcuffed and told she was not under arrest, just detained. That framing does not decide the Miranda question. Custody is an objective test whether a reasonable person in that position would have felt free to leave. In Berkemer versus McCarty, the court held that when restraints become comparable to a formal arrest, Miranda applies regardless of what the officer calls the encounter. A handcuffed person waiting for an eyewitness ID is not free to leave. That is custody. The officer read Miranda rights before continuing to question her correct call. She acknowledged and waived. Everything said after that waiver is admissible, and she said quite a lot, including her version of the exchange and her companion's location. The identification was a show-up the store employee brought directly to view the subject. Courts permit this when conducted promptly and close in time to the crime. The positive ID shifted the legal basis from reasonable suspicion to probable cause. The Terry stop ended there. Officers asked to search the vehicle. She refused the car was not hers, and she had no authority to consent. Under the Fourth Amendment, only the owner or someone with lawful authority over the property can authorize a search. The refusal was correct. Officers invoked the inventory doctrine, tow the car, inventory the contents. Under South Dakota versus Opperman and Colorado versus Bertine, this is constitutionally permissible when a standardized policy governs the procedure and the tow is not a pretext to search without a warrant. The inventory turned up multiple credit cards. Every transaction declined or canceled. Officers read that as stolen cards used for fraudulent purchases. That finding elevated the case from a shoplifting stop into fraud territory with separate felony exposure on each card used. Under Florida Statute Section 812.015, retail theft becomes a third-degree felony when merchandise value reaches $750 or more. $1,000 clears the threshold. 5-year maximum. State prison, not county jail. Florida Statute Section 817.61 makes fraudulent credit card use a third-degree felony when value obtained or attempted in a 6-month period exceeds $100. Each card, each transaction. A separate count, 5 cards, is 5 potential felony charges. A second bag of Carter's merchandise from the vehicle adds another layer. 2 suspects, 2 bags, multiple fraudulent cards. Florida Statute Section 812.015 subsection 8 defines that pattern as organized retail theft, a second-degree felony when aggregate value exceeds $3,000. The primary officer earns a B+. The investigation was methodical, verified the receipt, secured the eyewitness ID, administered Miranda before questioning, resumed, and respected the consent refusal. Where the grade slips is the custody framing. The correct result was reached. The reasoning behind it was not. The subject earns a B. Refusing the vehicle search was legally accurate. No authority to consent said so plainly. What she did not do is invoke silence after Miranda was read. She waived and kept explaining herself. Every statement after that waiver is in the record. The Fifth Amendment offered full protection the moment those rights were read aloud. Invoking silence is not incriminating. It cannot be referenced by prosecutors at trial. The time to use it is immediately, not after spending several minutes trying to demonstrate innocence first. On consent, only the person with authority over the property can authorize its search. She applied that correctly to the vehicle. The same principle extends to bags, phones, and anything in a person's possession during a stop. That is the Fourth Amendment, not paranoia. A Terry stop has a built-in clock. Officers must confirm or dispel suspicion quickly. Once probable cause materializes, the stop becomes an arrest, and the constitutional rules governing what officers can do shift with it. Knowing where that line sits determines what options remain available. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.